everyone, and welcome to the Plug iPhone XS Max unboxing. I found this company on TikTok when I was watching some of their fulfillment videos. I bought this phone for $369. This was in the good condition that they specify. You can either get eco-friendly, good, or excellent. Good is supposed to have minor scratches on the exterior as well as the screen of the device, but everything else is supposed to be 100% fully functional, and they guarantee for any other devices to have at least 80% battery life. I usually get all my phones in a gold color if they offer it, so that is what I got in this one. I will say that this back screen does show every single fingerprint that it gets, so I would highly recommend, if you get a phone like this, to get a case to prevent that from happening, but you can see they do wipe off fairly easily. And as you can see, turning the phone on, everything seems to be working just fine. I will confess I have had this phone for a while. I wanted to test it out before I properly gave it a review. In the case, for every device you will get a generic, most likely, charger and cord. You also get in all the devices, because 90% of them are unlocked fully, a SIM card tray remover. And as I said, I have had this for a while, so obviously the screen is not on the screen that you will get when you get your device. It will have the normal hello screen. I'll just put my passcode in, and then there you go. This is the normal iPhone screen that you will always get. It works really well. On mine, I didn't even see really any major scratches at all. You wouldn't even be able to tell this was a pre-owned, pre-loved device. The camera works great on it, as you can see. Here you go. And as you might have noticed, my SIM card is not in this phone currently, because right now I am testing a Note 10 Plus that I purchased from a certified reseller on eBay. Let me know if that's something you would like to see in a future video. And here I will show you the battery capacity that mine came with. Now mine was very unusual. It came with 100%, but I have used 2%, as you could see, in testing and using this phone for about a month. But yeah, that's absolutely insane that I got a phone that had 100% capacity. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.